everybody, and welcome along to the first video after going over 6,000 subscribers. How mad is that? So thank you to everybody that subscribed. It does mean a lot, as do all the comments and everything. I do try to answer comments. I think I have caught up with all the comments now, and yeah, that is gearbox, I tell you. Yeah, it does mean a lot. It does mean a lot that you have subscribed and you leave comments and stuff. So yeah, thank you very, very much for all that. But today, this video, we are on, I'm not, say we, I'm helping my brother-in-law out, harvesting potatoes. Potatoes I am today. At the minute I'm driving his Case Puma. I've got a flat tray on the back then with 8 boxes on there. My job today now is to just drive in the field here and load the trailers up, and then take them up to the road and swap with another lad, Simon, who is ferrying trailers back and forth to the yard then. So I'm swapping tractors all the time at the minute. So on this Case Puma, which is my brother-in-law's big tractor. The other tractors then are a New Holland T6 160 and Massey Ferguson 5465. With the spuds over the back there. So yeah, it's all go today. Swapping tractors and this, that and the other. So spending all day twisted around in the seat loading boxes, which isn't the most comfortable job, but there we are. It's got to be done, otherwise we ain't going to get no spuds for supper. I did a video on potato harvest last year. So for those of you that don't know, my brother-in-law grows about 40 or 50 acres of potatoes, along with doing beef cattle and a few pigs. The potatoes are mostly sold through chip shops and farm shops then. He does sell a few to puffin potatoes, but not that many really. Puffin supply some of the big supermarkets, Asda, they're one of the main suppliers. Harvester he's got then is new to him this year. It's a Grimmy harvester. It's a GZ 1700 DL1. If that means anything to anybody, I don't mean nothing to me. The tractor he's got pulling out then is a New Holland T6050. him now, wait for him to empty the harvester out. It's quite a steady old job this, fair play. It's not like hauling silage, I tell you. Spent quite a lot of time sat around. It's a gearbox, so it does your head in. It's beeping at you all the time. You've got to change range, and it takes about half a day to change range. The same gearbox as the TM range command, I think. And I was never a big fan of that gearbox, really. And also it's taken quite a while to get used to pressing the button there to go to neutral. A couple of occasions this morning, I've gone to go to neutral, take my foot off the clutch and tractor lurches forwards or backwards. Wait for Griff to turn around now. There's a lot of time sitting around on this job. Hell of a lot of time.